This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Friday, April 13th. I'm Tarquin Collette.
And I'm Chris Dayton.
We hope everyone got more sleep than they did before school on Monday after spring break.
We're into playoff season for fall sports, and several Commodore teams were in action.
On Saturday, the defending state champion Commodore football team knocked off the number 1 Salem with a convincing 20-7 victory.
Amari and Granger scored 2 touchdowns, and the Commodore's defense shut down the Salem running game.
Yesterday, the field hockey team defeated Granby for the second time as they advanced to the Region 5 semifinals. Emma Hickey scored both goals for the Commodores.
In the Region 5A Championship golf tournament, the Commodores finished 5th behind champion Bayside. Sophomore Tucker Poole led the Commodores with an 81.
Today, the Region 5A volleyball tournament begins with the Maury boys and girls hosting Granby. The boys play at 4 p.m., followed by the girls at 6:30.
On Wednesday, the field hockey team battles the 2-time state champion Cox Falcons. The game begins at 5 p.m. at the National Training Center in Virginia Beach.
And here's what's happening at MHS.
Finally, face it, the 2020 Commodore is on sale now. Don't miss out on this piece of history, and be a part of it by responding to our yearbook request for information.
You're up to date for Tuesday, April 13th. I'm Tarquin Collette.
And I'm Chris Dayton. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.